Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. So today we are going to try out the recipe for dalcha. Now dalcha is a dal-based side dish which can be served with rices. The ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. So let's have a look at the ingredients required for this dish. I've got some brinjal which I've cut and kept ready. I've got sliced onions, a few garlic flakes, 1 green chili, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, sliced tomato, some chopped coriander leaves and some mint leaves. In here I've got tuvar dal and chana dal which I've soaked in water and kept ready. I've got some tamarind which is soaking in half a cup of warm water. I've got some red chili powder and coriander powder in here. And for tempering, we need cinnamon, clove and a little bit of sliced onions. We'll also need salt to taste and ghee and oil for cooking the dish. So let's start preparing the dish. I've got a pressure pan on fire and poured a little bit of oil into it. Now we'll add in the garlic flakes, sliced onion, green chili, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, tomatoes, and the coriander and mint leaves. We'll just saute it for a minute. And add in the dal. Now bring the flame to low and add 2 cups of water into this mixture. So I've added 2 cups of water into this. Now we'll cover this and cook it for 1 whistle on low flame. So after 1 whistle, I let the pressure release fully and then I've opened the pressure cooker and mashed the dal a little bit. Now put it back on fire on high flame. Into it goes the brinjal. The red chili paste and coriander powder. Sorry, red chili powder and the coriander powder. Make a nice mix. And I'm going to add salt to taste. Again mix well. I've kept the brinjals a little big in size so that when you pressure cook it doesn't break down. So we've mixed everything. Now on high flame again we'll close the pressure cooker. Now I've closed the pressure cooker again. I've kept it on high flame and we'll wait for 1 whistle. So after 1 whistle, I have let the pressure release fully and then opened the lid. Now the brinjal is cooked nicely. We'll pour in the tamarind juice at this stage. Just mix it lightly. And let's bring this to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now while the dalcha is cooking, let's get the tempering ready. For which I put a tadka pan on fire, poured some ghee into it. Let's add the cinnamon and the cloves first. Once they give out their aroma, let's add in the sliced onions. We'll cook the onions until they are lightly brown. The onions are brown, let's remove this from the fire. Dal has been boiling for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the tempeh. Mix everything together and the curry is ready. So dalcha is ready. This dish goes really well with ghee rice and biryanis. So the next time you try biryani, try this as a side dish for it. This can be had with roti as well. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.